Okay, YouTube. I apologize for being away for so long, but this is a poor channel. I don't make a lot of videos, you know. So, but I got this on eBay. It just arrived today. And what we have here is a Pioneer CT-F900. And believe it or not, I got this for under $200. Okay. Now, in the ad, it said that it played. It even showed a video of it on YouTube, a demo video. So you can look up Pioneer CT-F900 demo, and it will show this deck playing. It's only like a minute long, the video. So, but after watching that video, I thought, well, what the hell? For $180? Why the fuck not? All right. So I've had it for about an hour now. I took the front off, blew some compressed air on the inside of it. So now I ordered all brand new belts and stuff. But these belts are still pretty good, so I just cleaned those flywheels. Okay. I disconnected this little harness here, cleaned it with the oxit, put that harness back on. Okay. And I basically just took a brush and dusted everything off so there wouldn't be no static or nothing like that. Okay. But this little idler tire, it didn't have no grip. So one of my test tapes got annihilated. Okay. So that's why we have test tapes. Okay. So I took that rubber idler tire off. I took this off. I took the brake off. And I put this tire inside of there, which didn't fit. This is way too big. But it proved the point that the problem was the idler tire. So I took that rubber off, put some two-way sticky tape around the inside of the plastic pulley. You can see one of my videos where I used the two-way sticky tape to repair an idler tire. So after a couple laps around that plastic pulley, I reconditioned the tire itself with rubber renew, cleaned up these pulleys here with alcohol. Okay, cleaned the capstans, the heads, reconditioned the pinch rollers. So really, I haven't even spent no money. Like an idiot, I ordered new belts. Okay. And the belts are coming in the mail from turntablesneedles.com. So after increasing the diameter of that tire, they got all kinds of torque. I'll get a strike for that. Who fucking cares? Fuck YouTube. So, there you go. A little two-way sticky tape on the inside of the fucking idler pulley. So this is going to make a fine addition to my stereo system. Guarantee I'm getting a strike for that. YouTube. Basically, all I did to this was regular service. Clean some of the outputs. I'll do the rest of these with some deoxit. But listen to that. It's hauling ass. Amazing. Would help if I put the dial back together. Smooth as can be.
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby, just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, oh baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Remember the day I set you free, I told you you could always count on me, darling. From that day on, I made a vow, I'll be there when you want me, some way, somehow. Oh baby, that ain't no mountain high enough.
Alright. Time to put this bad boy back together. Okay. Well, after fixing this, getting it playing, rewinding, fast forwarding and all that. Okay. I tried to put the face back on. And tried to get it to play. And when I put the face back on, it wouldn't do shit. Okay. And I couldn't figure out fucking why. Okay. Like, why every time I put the face on, the deck will not play. Okay, like this all just goes dead whenever I put the face back on. Well, it turns out that this deck, something really bad happened to this deck at some point in its life. Okay? So, there's no way this is the original face. Okay? And there's no way that's the original lid. Okay? Something very, very violent happened to this deck in its life. Okay? If you look right here at this cracked fucking shield right here, and you look really close, this frame is bent. Okay? It's not bent a lot, but what it is doing, okay, I apologize for the light, okay? This little shaft right here is very fucking important, okay? If this shaft doesn't move in, okay, then this entire button doesn't function, okay? So, when you put a tape in it, and that little bar moves, okay, it's gonna fucking fight with me now that I'm fucking recording, okay? So, when you put the tape in it, that little bar moves, okay? And there you go. It works perfectly. Alright? But when you take the tape out and you go and put that aluminum face on there, this bar is no longer long enough. Okay? So what I'm going to have to do to repair this is I'll have to remove the mechanism. There's a couple screws in the bottom right here. One here and one here. And then there's 4 screws in the front of the mechanism. Okay? So I'm going to have to take this mechanism out of here and just get it the fuck out of my way. And I'm going to have to grab a hold of this frame rail right here with a pair of fucking channel locks and try to bend that forward. Okay? So that way this bar will come forward. Okay? So that's the only way. I thought about getting one of those little rubber things you use on a record player. What do they call it? Like a dimple, pimple, or whatever the fuck it is. Okay? I thought about using one of them. I even tried to adjust the switches up here. Okay? Alright? I tried to adjust that. But that's fucking useless. So my only thing is to bend this fucking frame forward. Okay? I would say about 1 millimeter. So that's what I'm going to do. So this will be part 1 of this video. Pioneer CT-F900. That's enough recording for today because my phone is beeping like fucking mad and I'm sick of fucking hearing it. Okay? So this went from going really, really well. You know, I replaced the rubber on that idler tire. And it sounds fucking fabulous. Alright? It really does sound fucking good. Why I can't do that with my fucking right hand, I don't know. Okay? Come on, you fucking prick. Wow. I'll be right fucking back. So yeah, like I said, this is part 1 of this video. But I mean, it's fully functional and it sounds great. Now, when you look down in here, look at that. This whole bar right here is too far in. So this has to be bent out. I don't know what happened to this fucking deck. Something really bad hit this fucking deck. And somehow they got a new face. Because the face is flawless. And that makes you think also. Okay? Is how the hell did all this happen and that face don't have a scratch? Maybe it happened when someone was trying to fix it. I don't know. Okay? But one thing's for sure, I'm not going to stick it in my stereo without a face. Okay? So, I'm going to stop this video for today. And I'll see if I can straighten this frame out. So y'all have a good day. Party on. Hit the like and subscribe button. Later.